Some people don't have a single close friend. And it's not always because they're bad people. Here are 5 real reasons why, and maybe you'll recognize yourself. Reason 1: fear of rejection. They want connection, but the fear of being turned down stops them. So instead of trying, they just don't. Maybe they won't like me becomes a wall. And that wall gets taller every year. Until reaching out feels impossible. Reason 2: past betrayal. Maybe an old friend hurt them badly. A broken trust, a secret shared, a friendship that ended in silence. So now, trust feels dangerous. New people show up. And the walls go straight back up. Reason 3: social anxiety. Small talk feels like running a marathon. Their mind races. Did that sound weird? Are they judging me? So they avoid groups altogether. It's easier to stay home. Even though part of them wishes they'd gone. Reason 4: they've become too independent. At some point, they learned to handle everything alone. No one to call, so they stopped calling anyone. Needing people started to feel like weakness. So the skill of connecting quietly faded. Independence became isolation. Reason 5: they simply outgrew their old circle. Old friends partied every weekend. This person wanted something deeper: growth, purpose, quiet conversations. So the old friendships faded naturally. But new ones never quite replaced them. So the silence stayed. But here's the truth: being alone isn't the same as being broken. Every one of these reasons can change. Fear fades when you take one small step. Trust rebuilds with the right person. Anxiety softens with practice. And the right people are still out there, waiting to meet you.